Most developers trying to move into AI are making one expensive mistake. They assume they have to start from zero. New stack, new identity, new career path. That assumption is what slows them down. Because the fastest way into AI is not starting over. It's repositioning what you already know into something the market recognizes as AI relevant. And once you understand that shift, your timeline changes completely. The industry doesn't reward effort alone, it rewards positioning. And right now, most developers are positioning themselves incorrectly without realizing it. Most people default to the academic path. They jump into machine learning courses, deep math, and model training. But here's the problem, that path is slow, crowded, and disconnected from real hiring demand. You're competing with fresh grads and specialists. While ignoring the one advantage you already have, experience. You end up learning things that sound impressive, but don't translate into hiring signals. And after months, you realize you're still not closer to a real AI role. Companies are not hiring AI learners. They're hiring people who can apply AI inside real systems. When you start from scratch, you lose your context. Your experience stops showing up in your profile, and you become just another beginner in a very crowded market. That's why this approach fails, even if you work hard. Without context, your skills look theoretical, not practical. And hiring teams quickly filter that out because they need immediate impact. Here's the reality most people miss. AI is not replacing systems. It's being added on top of them. Backend systems, APIs, data pipelines, monitoring. That means companies don't need pure AI specialists everywhere. They need engineers who can integrate AI into what already exists. AI is becoming part of existing products, not standalone experiments. So the demand is shifting toward engineers who can embed AI into real workflows. Hiring managers are not asking, "Do you know machine learning algorithms?" They are asking, "Can you apply AI to our workflows, products, or data?" If you already understand systems, business logic, or data flows, you're closer to AI roles than you think. They value people who can connect AI outputs to real business decisions, not just people who understand how models work internally. The fastest transition happens when you don't change who you are. You extend it. Backend developer becomes AI-enabled backend engineer. Data analyst becomes AI-assisted decision engineer. Same foundation, different positioning. This shift is subtle, but it completely changes how recruiters see your profile. You're no longer transitioning, you're evolving your role. Start by mapping your existing leverage. What do you already understand deeply? Systems? APIs? Data pipelines? Business domains? AI doesn't replace these. It enhances them. Your transition starts by anchoring AI to your strongest capability. Most people underestimate how valuable their existing knowledge actually is. But in AI, context is often more valuable than raw technical depth. Next, identify where AI naturally fits into your work. Not everywhere, only where it creates real value. Search, automation, summarization, anomaly detection. This is where your projects should come from, not random tutorials. Forcing AI into everything creates weak projects with no real impact. Strategic placement is what makes your work stand out. Stop building generic AI demos. Instead, build applied solutions. Something that solves a real workflow problem. For example, AI-powered log analysis, ticket classification, or internal knowledge search. This is what signals value to hiring managers. Hiring managers are looking for proof, not potential. Your project should clearly show how AI improves something measurable. Your resume is not just a history. It's a positioning tool. The same project can look ordinary or AI relevant, depending on how you describe it. Focus on outcomes, integration, and impact, not just tools and technologies. Small wording changes can completely shift how your experience is perceived. This is where many strong candidates lose opportunities without realizing it. Don't aim directly for machine learning engineer. That's the slowest path. Instead, target roles like AI engineer, applied AI, Gen AI engineer, AI platform roles. These roles reward integration skills, not just model training. These roles are growing faster and have less competition right now, which makes them the smartest entry point into AI. If you follow this approach, your timeline compresses. You're not starting from zero. You're building on top of years of experience. That's the difference between a 2-year transition and a 4 to 6 month repositioning. Speed comes from leverage, not from working harder. The more you reuse your experience, the faster you move. The biggest mistake is overlearning and under-positioning. People keep consuming courses, but never translate that into visible, applied value. That's why they feel stuck, despite putting in effort. Learning without application creates the illusion of progress. But the market only responds to visible outcomes. You don't need to restart your career to enter AI. You need to reframe it. AI rewards people who can connect technology to real problems. If you already have that foundation, you're not behind. You're just one strategic shift away. The opportunity is already within your current skill set. You just need to align it with where the market is going. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to build an AI-ready career.